good afternoon guys. It's April 28th, Tuesday today, and I'm recording the video for October 26th. So going into the day, overall stick with buyers, trade mechanically without any feelings, respect the levels. Sellers have to work hard in this market for the down day, and buyers do not have to do any effort, right? So you are better off taking long from the support than looking for a short from the resistance, right? That was the clear thing here, right? Even though if you miss one down day, it is not a big deal, right? So overall we are sticking with buyers, right? I'm going to summarize all the indexes here in two lines, right? Not much. So yes, just one line or two lines here, right? 6150 key to watch, and then 8890 is the max potential for the day. And then we have to see how day is progressing. If it gets there, we have to evaluate it. If it breaks out above these levels nicely, then we can go for more target, right? We have the levels. Intraday I gave you all the levels above this area, right? But it couldn't go above it, balanced it, and then that area became high of the day today, right? So NQ wants to go to my 650 max potential, right? That was a max potential for me in NQ, right? If prices are aggressive, then right of the open you want to see NQ holding above this area pretty much, right? So NQ held above this area 570, right? And 550 both. 587 or something was the low, right? Or 580, and then it launched a move, went above 650 at one point, right? So that's where I gave you new targets in the Discord, that now it wants to go to XYZ level, right? But then in order to do that, it has to hold above 625, but it failed. So it came down with ES, and then we have a reversal. At that point, even before price was reaching here or reached here, we were also talking about potential high of the day, right? Two scenarios we discussed: either high of the day is in, or so for that we need to see what small balance that we discuss, right? Small balance and either breakdown or breakout, either two scenarios, right? And if breakdown happens, then high of the day could be in, right? Doesn't mean we have to short it, right? I clearly said doesn't mean we have to short it, but at least we know high of the day is in, so we know what to look for in our target if we go long from the bottom level, right? And then we also had some earnings today from FANG stocks, right? Microsoft, Alphabet, and other 2-3 stocks. So it could be a waiting game for them to release their earning statements, and then you may see the move. Till then price may balance also, right? So we have to consider all these possibilities, right? So but overall we were in safe hand today, right? So we traded it nicely. So but anyway, so NQ went up to this resistance, then got rejection, went below this, right? Went below this. At that point, the sellers are in control up to this point and below this, right? Then you can even short it, right? But shorts are risky. You don't know where it's going to bounce because of there is a lot of support below, right? So you're better off taking longs. So when this down move was launched, right, when NQ was coming down, we were waiting to evaluate where to go long, right? So we let go 570, we let go 557, we did not go long at 520, 540. We discussed all this thing in Discord. We waited till 510 or 500 area, then we went long, and we held that trade all the way up to where 570, 600, 750 was our target, right? But then the closing game started, right, at around 330 onwards. So 330 onwards, any outcome can be possible, right? Or could be possible. Either it can go to 750, 650, or even lower to 480. We were open for that also, right? Because of the earnings and all these things, right? So it's better to take profit, at some point if you see something, and then Russell, this is the key area of the open. Russell went higher, got stuck into this, got rejection, went below this. It's a ping pong game after that onwards, and then Russell eventually went down to 91 and stopped, right? So it was a garbage thing whatever Russell did today. Dow, as usual, is the strongest market, so it held above this area pretty much. Price came down here and it held it, right? So Dow is still strong above this area and this area. Continue to go long in Dow. crude played out very nicely today, right? Favor longs above 80 to 96 in general. Even though if it pokes below it, you can go long here. Below these two areas, look for shorts, right? But it held this area. It bounced back up all the way up to where? This area, you know, overnight hour, and then it got rejection from it. Simple, right? So crude played out very well today, and so does NQNES, right? And the Dow also. So